Welcome to Free to Cook. In this video, we're going to be cooking kimchi loaded fries. This recipe is packed full of flavour and has a beautiful kick of heat. To start, we're going to make the sauce. In a bowl, add 1.5 tablespoons of mayonnaise. Then 1 tablespoon of Sriracha sauce. Mix it all together and sit to one side. Next, slice half a red onion. Chop a bunch of coriander, or for some, it's called Sriracha. Then dice 2 strips of bacon. This isn't going to be a healthy meal, by the way, it's for times when you want a nice treat. Finally, dice 1 chicken thigh and season with salt and pepper. In a deep-sided frying pan, add a splash of oil, followed by the red onions. Mix through the oil before adding the diced chicken thighs. Stir everything together before adding the bacon. Brown everything, allowing the bacon fat to render. Next, add 1 cup of kimchi. You'll get a massive flavour hit from just simply opening the jar. That's where all the flavour in this dish is coming from. Add the coriander and fry until the chicken thighs are cooked through. Next, fry some chips. Lay them out on a cast iron pan or a tray. Make sure you season them well with chicken salt. You can find the recipe on the channel. Spoon the kimchi and chicken mixture all over the fries and top with some grated cheese. Place under the grill until the cheese is melted and started to brown. Finally, top with the sauce, and there you have it, kimchi loaded fries. These have so much flavour and a good amount of heat. This isn't something you would like to eat every day, but it's an incredible treat meal. If you've enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to subscribe, like the video, follow us on social media, and if you have a recipe suggestion, leave it in the comments.